I have cut 14 1-inch dowels into 1 1/4 inch lengths. I also cut some plywood, 1 1/4 inch width and 5-inch length. And then I also cut other pieces 1 1/4 inch, and I think that works out to be 5 1/4 inch length. But I put a bevel on there that's 20 degrees. And I cut some 1/4 inch plywood, and this bevel here matches this bevel here. Now what am I making? I'm making 14 broom handle holders. Now this is just a mock-up here. It's not glued or it's not nailed. And I did have a mock-up that I destroyed earlier that I proved the concept. And I still have some more work to do. But the idea is that actually this is going to be on that side. This will run up and down, and when the broom handle engages with it, it's going to hold it up. That's the idea. This is turning out to be much more of a project because I'm making 14 of them. But when I first saw this, I said, hey, this is going to be super simple. And it's really not nearly as simple as it looks like. But, so what we have here is we have one wall for the broom handle is going to go against. Actually, this whole thing is going to be like this. So that's more like it right there. So one wall the broom handle is going to be against, and then one wall is going to resist against the round. Now we got a hole drilled in the bottom, and that's going to accept a screw. If I can get it out of the bucket. Right here with a round head. Okay. And we're going to screw it in. And then what we have is this other piece here that has a slot routed out that's going to be wide enough to handle the screw head and the little bit of back and forth this is going to do. So your broom handle is going to be like this, and then you're going to have this situation where this comes down and it pinches your broom handle in place and holds it up. I have painted them all, and now they're going to sit overnight to have the paint set. And tomorrow I will finish assembly. What I did with these roller dealy whackers is I add a little bit of felt to the backside, so they will want to slide on the backings. That's the hope, at least. We'll see how that works tomorrow. Okay, so we have completed the project and they work really nice. They're holding my brooms and my wife's duster and a window cleaner. We have one space here available. Now they don't move up and down on their own. You have to involve your hand. And so all it takes is you put your, hey, where did my camera person go? Where'd my camera person go? Okay, kind of focus on the center one. All right, so you have it, the ball port low, and all you have to do is put the broom in, and oh crap, I made it too small, big for this particular broom, but in a way it still works. But there you go. What do you think, babe?
Looks good.
Good. Finally, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10. Good job.